Hello everyone, my name is Monica and I'm from Jam and Panther team at Prolifix. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can import the data from your spreadsheet into a Bootstrap data table in your Panther web application. So there are 3 steps to display your record in a data table. So the first step is read the data from the spreadsheet. So here I'm using JavaScript to read the data from the spreadsheet, and finally I'm getting the data in a JSON array format. You can see sheet to JSON, the function I'm using to convert the data read from the spreadsheet in a JSON format. Then the next step is to create data table. Here you can see I'm sending the same data as a JSON array format to create the data table. And the third step is post the data back to the JServer. So here I'm sending the same JSON data in my Panther screen, where my Panther screen contains a grid frame widget with the same column names. So when I post the same JSON data to my Panther screen to the JServer, so it stores all the data which I have sent in my post request. So if you have a spreadsheet like this with some columns and some data in it, and you want to show the same data like some order details in the data table, then let me show you how it will look using the same code which I just showed you. So here I have the Panther grid, and now I'm going to read that spreadsheet. So let me just import the spreadsheet. And you can see how the code which I just showed you converts the data from the spreadsheet into a data table. And with the data table, you can have multiple pages. You can have the navigation buttons. You can search the data based on the letters. So these are all the properties which data tables, the Bootstrap data tables enables and gives you the facility to search the data. At a time, you can see the 50 rows once, and you can see 100 rows. You can scroll it down. So these are all the features which we get from the Bootstrap data tables. So hope you like this video.
Thanks for watching our video. If you have liked the video, please press the like button. If you are viewing our content for the first time, please press the subscribe button. If you have any queries, either post them in the comment section or email us at support@prolifix.com.